Abiogenesis and evolution perspective. Abiogenesis. This theory posits that life arose from non-living matter through natural processes. Abiogenesis explains the origin of the simplest forms of life, not complex organisms like cows. Evolution. According to the theory of evolution by natural selection, life forms gradually evolve over time through processes of variation, mutation, and selection. Cows, like other animals, evolved from simpler ancestral species, eating grass. Ruminants, including cows, have evolved to eat grass, a tough and fibrous plant material. This diet requires a specialized digestive system to break down cellulose. Multiple stomachs. Cows have a complex stomach with 4 compartments, not 3. The rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. This multi-chambered stomach allows for efficient digestion of plant material. The rumen hosts a diverse microbial community that ferments the ingested plant matter, breaking down cellulose into volatile fatty acids, which cows use as a primary energy source. Methane production. During this fermentation process, methanogenic archaea in the cow's rumen produce methane as a byproduct. This methane is then expelled by the cow through belching. Methane production is a significant factor in discussions about livestock's environmental impact. Creation perspective, divine creation. This perspective posits that a higher power, God, created life in its current form. For believers, the complexity and functionality of life forms, such as a cow with its specialized digestive system, are evidence of intelligent design. Which makes more sense? Scientific perspective. The processes of abiogenesis and evolution are supported by a substantial body of empirical evidence, including fossil records, genetic research, and observations of natural selection. However, this body of knowledge does not specifically address the origin of complex systems like the cow's multi-chambered stomach or its ability to digest grass and produce methane in detail. These specific traits are explained as the result of millions of years of evolutionary adaptation. Theological perspective. The idea of a cow being created by God is rooted in faith and religious texts, offering an explanation that aligns with the beliefs of many religious traditions. For believers, the complexity of such traits is seen as evidence of a purposeful creation by an intelligent designer. Conclusion. Which perspective makes more sense largely depends on one's worldview. Those who adhere to scientific methodologies and empirical evidence might find the evolutionary explanation, supported by a broad array of data, more compelling, despite not addressing every specific adaptation in detail. In contrast, those with religious beliefs may find the idea of divine creation more reasonable, interpreting the cow's specialized traits as evidence of intelligent design. Ultimately, the answer to this question is influenced by individual beliefs, values, and interpretations of available evidence.